Hey, what's up, guys? Let me just fix this so you guys can see me. Dennis here from primetraders.com. Happy weekend, and what a weekend, huh? Second weekend in a row where Bitcoin's pretty much tumbling down. We hit 18.7 something today, meaning that's the low. And I just want to revert back to this post that we made here so you guys can understand why and what we are doing. I think this is the one. No, it's not. No, my bad. This is the one. We're building a big short. So we've been building a big short on Bitcoin for quite some time. My expected target of this would be anywhere between 12.6 and 8.3K, and I will continue to ride that and run that trade. So I don't get out of the short-term chart, because I need to explain to you guys why I'm adding on below this VWAP here. I'll tell you something that you're going to see in this post here. Bitcoin never until now, before I even released this post, broke its bullish structure. As you guys can see here, look, it made a low, pushed up, higher low. The lows are always higher until here, this neckline level. Just a second. Marco, some second. Okay. So support, and that's the previous low. Which we're pretty much have broken now, broken by a solid 7-8 grand. Now this here is a very simple bearish continuation pattern. It shows a lot of weakness. It says that the market is extremely weak. Just give me a sec. Marko, samo jedan minut, što da završim. My son's playing basketball. So check this out. So the day begun, I can show you this right before this drop too. Very similar scenario where the market holds a straight line support. So the market bounces at the support, bounces at it, and it forms lower highs consistently, aside from this fake out here, then lower high, crash down. So we have a very similar scenario right now where the market made its push towards the upside, did already that push, formed a lower high right at the daily VWAP, lower high, 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 lower high. This shows massive weakness because the bulls can't take control of the market. Hence, we could see a breakout now, or we could attempt to push back maybe to the VWAP and then drop below. In any case, I believe that crypto is going to be very volatile. I'm very fortunate to be shorting this weeks ago. So I'm fine to go through, any kind of pullbacks. I'm fully locked in for a very hefty profit, and I'm trying to build this on further. Of course, I'm adding on with not as much size as I had shorted from the top side. But in any case, like I said, I really believe this is a strong down move. In fact, this is not a depression in the crypto markets or the winter. It's an actual blizzard. Because for the first time ever in history are we doing something, and that is breaking its bullish structure. Even when we dropped in COVID and blah, 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 we never broke the previous structure. Bitcoin has always, even though it made lower highs, it always kept its lows higher than before. So any drop that you check, even when it went from 18 grand to 3 grand, it still held the weekly closings, the bullish side, higher lows in the weekly format. Now that's broken, and I think the worst is not over yet. In fact, I'm actually not keeping any crypto in exchanges because I really believe that we will experience exactly why exchanges are probably worse than banks. Keeping your money, keeping your crypto on a ledger, much safer. Exchanges, as we've seen with Celsius and all of the other ones so far, from crypto.com to Binance to Coinbase, they've all locked us out of our accounts or stopped us from moving crypto. So that's why not safe, and we'll realize that once this thing really hits a bottom. That's when the dust will settle, and that is exactly when we'll know just how much money has been lost. For now, I'm full on bear mode. I expect this weekend to be volatile. For now, what the chart is saying is strong weakness and the possible break of this final tap down of support at 18.73K. My name is Dennis from primetraders.com. Thanks for watching this and have a good weekend.